why buying a subscription of a WhatsApp marketing software is not enough for you to get results with WhatsApp conversational marketing. A lot of D2C brands that I deal with, they say, what, hey, we got the software, it's amazing, and it's gonna magically bring us results. Okay, but unfortunately, after a couple of months, they'll come back and say, what, we are stuck and we are struggling. Let me ask you a question to prove this point. Can Indigo Airlines run a successful airline business just by buying aircrafts? What about the pilots? What about the support staff, who actually run the show, who actually run the business? Not possible, right? So you need that marketing acumen and people with marketing expertise to do WhatsApp marketing for you. So the problem here is the WhatsApp marketing software industry, the SaaS industry in this particular space is new because WhatsApp API has been around for close to 3 to 4 years now. It's very new. It's very interesting. The opportunity is big. So every other day you can see a new software product being launched, okay? And everybody is in a race to capture the market share. And because of this, they end up making all kinds of claims, okay, on their website and on their ads. I mean, hopefully you would have seen by now on LinkedIn or YouTube or Facebook ads of these softwares that you can do wonders with the WhatsApp marketing software. In fact, their pricing pages will sound as if they are going to give you the technology and they're also going to do WhatsApp marketing for you, which they will not, because they don't know, right? It's very different for a technology company to offer you a technology service than for them to do WhatsApp marketing which is customized to your brand. Not possible. Okay, don't fall for it. A lot of e-commerce brands fall for this, okay, and they go for this cheap and best. Okay, that's what our mentality is, right? We all want cheap and best, and I challenge you, a cheap and best both can't be in one line. Okay, if you want something best, you need to pay premium for it. If you want to pay cheap, you will get cheap services. That's how the world works. What eventually happens is they get a software, but they struggle to get results in the absence of proper marketing direction, proper marketing strategy and execution. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, just because you have an account on Shopify doesn't mean that you have or you can build a successful e-commerce business. Just because you have access to Facebook Ads Manager doesn't mean that your ads will be profitable. And just because you have an access to a Klaviyo email marketing software doesn't mean that your email marketing is going to be profitable, right? Similarly, when it comes to WhatsApp marketing, a WhatsApp marketing software alone is not the solution. First, you need to have a proven strategy, a customized strategy that your brand can use. Number one. Number two, you should have brilliant copywriting. You should be able to use the words that can move your customers and make them pay you, make them to buy products from you. And of course, you should be selling products that people actually want. Okay, when all these things are checked, then you have this WhatsApp marketing software to package all these things and become a bridge between you and your customer. So that's how things work in reality. So the key here is invest in marketing talent, invest in people who know how to do WhatsApp marketing. Okay, so either you can go ahead and hire WhatsApp marketers, okay, agencies and freelancers who have implemented WhatsApp marketing in the past and have gotten results. Okay, we have a lot of them in our community. Or if you have a marketing team, you can also go ahead and train them on WhatsApp marketing. Okay, that way you build an internal talent pool who can execute these campaigns for you, and they will be well aligned with your existing marketing strategies. They just have to extend that to WhatsApp marketing as well. Okay, so even in that case, we have training programs at Alpha Marketer, which the team can access once they join the community. So my invite to you is to come and join my community. It's called the Alpha Marketer Network. It's a premium paid community where e-commerce professionals, D2C e-commerce professionals like copywriters, email marketers, Facebook ads experts, Google ads experts, WhatsApp marketers, D2C brand founders, everybody comes together to discuss and have meaningful conversation about how they can grow their e-commerce business with the help of conversational commerce. Okay, it's fun to be a part of the community. So do join in. The link to join the community will be there in the comments or in the description. Do check it out, and I will see you inside the community.